Alright, here's the problem, y'all. It's getting bad. Oh, we did something, boys. We did something. Honestly, yeah, there's something I've never done in my life. Something very new to me, but we got braids. Dude, this is so out of my, like, not league, but just not me, but like, it doesn't look horrible, it doesn't look bad. This video, if you guys want to see me like this, rocking braids, this video gets 1,000 likes, I will get a nice actual haircut for braids, and I will start running braids from now on. Do I love it? I don't know. I'd rather have like curly hair at the top, but hey, this is a test run. It looks pretty funny, and I thought for this vlog, we will indeed be rocking blades. Braids, same thing. Luster's gonna be the first person to see me like this. We're about to go to the gym. He's right over there. I was gonna get his reaction. NANI? What do you think? What do you think? It's like a test run.
Okay.
Nice fade on the side, a little better braids. It was kind of in a hurry.
I like it.
Yeah?
But yeah, it's kind of hard to keep up with. You gotta do it like every day.
Yeah, I know, that's the thing. You know, last time we were early, today we're not necessarily late, but we're also not early. But then again, the weather's perfect, and this feels good. My camera is about to die. That's not good. That is definitely not good. So we're actually going to Cars and Coffee. Last time you guys saw me go, I went with Cristobal, her brother. Cristobal's brother drove my 300ZX, my twins drove. Today I'm going by myself, but we're actually going with Alex. It's right here. My man Alex is actually going in the world's fastest car today. Let's go. But yeah, it's gonna be freaking lit. Yes, sir. I'm hyped. You're hyped. We're hyped. Let's get it. Okay, so here we have a Ferrari, but one thing, we absolutely lost Alex. And another thing, I am parking far away from everybody because my car is indeed extremely dirty. Extremely dirty. Where's Alex though? Parking.
Stop sign. Turn left onto Stratopolis and arrive at your destination.
We can't make noise, we can't make noise. I normally would, but we don't want to ruin it for everybody. We just don't want to be that one person. It'll be really cool for the vlog though, but I'm not. Okay, so we just got here. We parked next to this really nice 5.0. Oh, it's the newer one. I thought it was like an older 5.0. There's another Mustang. But over there, we got a really nice looking M3. Look at that. Oh yeah, we out here. Alright, we gotta find Josue. Hold on. Okay, we just walked like 10 minutes. Oh, there's two. No, there's one. To look at the GTR. Look at this thing, dude. I love the duckbill. Oh, look at these taillights as well. I don't think I've ever seen taillights like this. Oh damn, this thing is sick. Dude, look at that, dude. That thing's fat, bro. I love the color of it. Hyundai. God, dude. This thing is sick. Oh, there's no GTR over there. Nice. And there's another GTR over here. Dude, just GTR dream right now, bro. So I actually know the owner of this car, and we just finished talking, and you guys are gonna see a video very soon with this car. It's gonna be absolutely sick. But dude, this color, oh my gosh, absolutely love this car. It has so much carbon. It's got carbon fenders, carbon hood. I actually have never seen this hood on a GTR. It's got the little wide body. It's not really wide, but dude, this thing is mint. And here we got the third GTR. Me like it. Contra. You gonna buy it? Oh, so he's gonna buy this one. You guys hear that? That's an LS Miata. Check this out, dude. Definitely one of the coolest things here, dude. That's so sick. This is actually where I was parked last time. Yeah. Now they got real cars here. I was a fake. I was an intruder last time, dude. Okay, I don't think you guys realize how big this is. This thing is huge. Wait, film me next to it. Also, I'm like what, 6'8", right? Just say look how big this is, bigger than me. this thing freaking towers over me. Just kidding, guys. I'm not 6'8". I'm like 6'7". 1.6 million. What do you think? Are you gonna buy it? Just imagine this driving this every day. It looks like, but probably really hard. Dude, this is an equivalent of a GTR parking next to my 370. The GT500 just parked next to. I gotta get in the vlog for him, dude. This thing is awesome. How does it feel?
Feels good.
Look at that static life, dude. So we just passed by 3 Teslas and 2 of them blinked. Let's see if it happens again. Dude, I swear it blinked, right?
Yeah. Probably gotta go closer.
Okay, never mind, it didn't blink. It's not. It's possessed. GTR's leaving, bro. I feel like this is a GTR only vlog. If you don't like it, then that's too bad, because we just like GTRs over here. It sounds so beautiful! Oh, ooh. The weirdest thing ever is whenever you have to go to the bathroom, but you also have like a really big camera and you're like, Yo, that and 4 you turn on next to the cops and that thing is loud. Oh my gosh, that's loud. Really? We out shit, dude. We out shit. Everybody's pretty much left. So we're gonna I almost just hit that and my front bumper just went. Oh, did I feel so bad? There's like a whole family getting out of the car right now. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I just have to. How many was that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Did I forget the key? No. Okay, I recorded a lot, but I decided I did not put my point across, so I will start over. I am starting over. So when you first start getting into this whole car industry thing, like myself, honestly, I still consider myself a rookie, that I'm just learning. I know I teach you guys a lot, but that is as I learn and as I go through trial and error, as I go through little projects that I put myself through. I have not done a talk or a quote-unquote rant in a bit. Well, today I want to talk about who we are in the car industry, if that makes sense. So I'll start with myself. Actually, I'll put 2 scenarios up. So I feel like there's normally 2 kinds of people and an in-between. Let's say 2 people have Civics or Z's. One guy wants that Civic to have 1,000 horsepower and beat every single Lambo or GTR on the street. The other guy wants to upgrade that Civic for fun, make it relatively fast, but nothing as extensive as engine build, turbo kit. I don't think is that extensive, but nothing as crazy as we're gonna make this thing faster than any Lambo, bro. Lambo killer, GTR killer, let's get it. I'm literally just driving around my neighborhood. And then the other guy wants to modify his Civic, not to be faster than a Lambo, but to be relatively fast, have fun with it, modify it as much as possible, and then buy the Lambo, which is his dream car. So one guy wants to beat the Lambo with a really cheap car that he built himself and is super proud of, and the other guy wants to have a fun car, build a little Civic himself, but get that Lambo. We gotta get that Lambo. I woke up in the new Bugatti. I woke up in the new Lambo. Nah, that's not as good. And I'm genuinely super curious as to what kind of car people you guys are. Let me know in the comments below. Are you the one that wants to do a super extensive build, whether it is engine or body wise? Or are you more of the casual, I want to build my car, but I also want to buy my dream car type of guy? Super curious to see what you guys are into. To be honest, I've been thinking about it lately. I've been really reflecting on like who I am in this car industry and what I want to do, to be honest. And I figured that as of right now, I'm 21 years old. As I'm making this video, obviously we change over time, but as I'm making this video, I'm sort of in the middle, but I lean more to the person that just wants to build their car, have fun, and not make an intensive like 1,400 horsepower Civic build. And I feel like a lot of you are gonna relate to that, but I feel like that's where I'm at. I just want to build my car, nothing extremely crazy, have a fun experience with it, and get my dream car. I don't want to beat my dream car with the car I have now. I want to work towards getting my dream car. Neither's right or wrong. I'm honestly just curious if you guys can right now. Comment down below. What type of guy are you? Is that a Turbo Civic? As I'm making this video, is that a Turbo Civic? No, it's not. No, it's not. I thought that was a Turbo Civic. Oh, and with that being said, I forgot we gotta have a talk about this car. But to be honest, as long as you're happy, you're working towards being happy, achieving that goal, it doesn't really matter. We're all one big car community, and it's all for the better. I don't know if I got my point across, but I'm gonna leave you guys off with this. And it kind of contradicts a lot of what I'm saying, but not really, because I mean, this isn't that extensive, and it's just gonna be fun, and it's gonna be a dream come true. But there's something real quick.
I'll miss you if you go. Yes, I'm gonna let you know just how much I tell your mama. I tell your papa too.
I'm filming a vlog real quick right now. Do you mind saying what's gonna happen next month?
What's gonna happen?
This guy.
Probably gonna be towards the end of next month, early March, to be honest with you.
March, that sucks.
Yeah, I mean, that's probably the reality of it. So you're not thinking that it's gonna be right away. Just looking at our schedule, we have to do a couple things ahead of time with a couple other cars that are in here. What's gonna happen is you're gonna become an adult.
Why?
Well, you're gonna put your big boy pants on and stop wearing skinny jeans.
Turbo cut. Yeah, it's gonna be pretty cool. And with that said, I'm gonna go ahead and end it off right there. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a big thumbs up, and as always, subscribe. Leave a big thumbs up. I got 10. What would we call that? Hit-ups? Hit-ups? Kick-ups? 10 kick-ups and braids. I think I'm gonna take them off as soon as this video ends. As that. Well, oh, it's only turned on.
I want to let you know, oh, you're the only one for me. No one else. I'm gonna shout it